Guarding your inner citadel. 7 things you should never expose to others. Ever felt the urge to share every detail of your life with others? Let's explore why Stoicism suggests some things are best kept to yourself. Stoicism, an ancient philosophy, teaches us the importance of self-control and resilience in navigating life's challenges. Central to Stoic practice is the idea of guarding our inner citadel, protecting the core of our being from external influences. Number 1. Personal struggles. Stoicism advises against sharing intimate struggles with just anyone. While it's natural to seek support during difficult times, indiscriminate disclosure of personal challenges can leave you vulnerable to exploitation or judgment. Stoics advocate for discernment in choosing confidants, selecting individuals who demonstrate empathy, trustworthiness, and discretion. By sharing only with those who have earned your trust, you preserve your dignity and maintain a sense of autonomy in navigating life's trials. Number 2. Future plans. Keeping your ambitions private serves as a shield against external pressures and distractions. When you broadcast your aspirations to the world, you expose them to scrutiny and potential interference from others. Stoicism teaches the value of silent progress, allowing your actions to speak louder than your words. By keeping your dreams close to your heart, you retain control over their development and execution, free from the influence of external expectations or criticisms. Number 3. Innermost Desires. Your deepest desires and aspirations are sacred, reflecting the essence of who you are and what you value most. Sharing them indiscriminately can invite judgment, criticism, or even envy from others, detracting from your pursuit of fulfillment. Stoicism encourages introspection and self-awareness in identifying your true desires, advocating for discretion in their expression. By guarding your innermost desires, you protect the purity of your intentions and preserve your sense of autonomy in shaping your destiny. Number 4. Regrets and guilt. Stoicism teaches us to accept responsibility for our past actions and learn from our mistakes. While seeking forgiveness or validation from others may provide temporary relief, true growth and healing come from within. Publicly disclosing your regrets or guilt can leave you vulnerable to exploitation or manipulation by others. Instead, Stoicism encourages self-reflection and self-forgiveness, allowing you to process and integrate past experiences privately, free from external judgment or interference. Number 5. Financial matters. Maintaining privacy around financial matters safeguards your autonomy and protects you from unnecessary scrutiny or exploitation. While transparency and accountability are important, disclosing sensitive financial information indiscriminately can leave you vulnerable to manipulation or exploitation by others. Stoicism advocates for discretion in financial matters, empowering you to make sound decisions and manage your resources in alignment with your values and goals. Number 6. Spiritual beliefs. Stoicism encourages introspection and self-discovery in matters of spirituality, emphasizing personal autonomy and individual exploration. While sharing spiritual beliefs can foster connection and understanding with like-minded individuals, it's essential to exercise discernment in choosing when and with whom to share such intimate aspects of your worldview. By maintaining privacy around your spiritual beliefs, you preserve the sanctity of your inner journey and protect yourself from undue scrutiny or judgment. Number 7. Inner thoughts and emotions. Your inner thoughts and emotions are sacred, shaping your perception of the world and influencing your actions. Stoicism teaches the importance of guarding your inner citadel, the core of your being, from external influences. While sharing your thoughts and feelings with trusted confidants can provide support and validation, indiscriminate disclosure can leave you vulnerable to manipulation or exploitation. By exercising discretion in what you share with others, you retain control over your reactions and cultivate a sense of inner peace and stability. Above all, Stoicism emphasizes the importance of guarding your inner thoughts and emotions. By keeping them private, you maintain control over your reactions and cultivate a sense of inner peace and stability. Respecting personal boundaries not only preserves your dignity but also fosters a sense of autonomy and self-reliance. By practicing discretion in what you share with others, you honor the Stoic virtues of wisdom, courage, and temperance. In a world where oversharing is the norm, Stoicism offers a refreshing perspective on the value of privacy and self-restraint. By embracing these principles, you can cultivate a strong sense of inner strength and resilience. Ready to explore more Stoic principles? Check out my other videos on the topic and join the conversation in the comments. Remember, your inner citadel is yours to protect. Guard it wisely.